I bet you didn't know how easy it is to make money with crypto arbitrage. Want to make some serious bank in the crypto game? Today we're diving into the world of crypto arbitrage. It's about spotting opportunities and acting fast. Leverage price differences across exchanges to make profits. Ready to unlock the secrets of crypto arbitrage? Let's dive in. Why are there not more people talking about crypto arbitrage? Let's break down the basics of crypto arbitrage. It's about exploiting price differences for the same asset on different exchanges. Think of it like buying low and selling high, but faster. Crypto exchanges set their own prices based on supply and demand. These price differences create opportunities for savvy traders. You need to hear this if you're a crypto enthusiast. Now that you understand the name of the game, let's talk about gearing up. You need accounts on multiple exchanges. Next, get a reliable crypto arbitrage scanner. Popular options include Arbitrage Pro and Crypto Hopper. Focus on setting up your accounts and tools. Crypto traders, listen up. Let's get down to brass tacks. Where do you find arbitrage opportunities? It's about strategy. Arbitrage scanners are your best friends. Stay informed and you'll find opportunities. Now for the fun part. Executing your first arbitrage trade. Speed is key here. Spot an opportunity and act fast. Ensure you have enough funds. Place your buy order on the lower-priced exchange and your sell order on the higher-priced exchange. This should happen almost simultaneously. Congratulations, you've completed your first crypto arbitrage trade. Hold your horses, champ. Transfer fees can make or break your arbitrage profits. Factor in fees charged by both exchanges. Fees vary by exchange, cryptocurrency, and network congestion. Look for low or zero transfer fees. Some exchanges offer rebates for high-volume traders. Every bit counts in maximizing profits. All right, so you found the perfect arbitrage opportunity, factored in the transfer fees, and you're ready to make that sweet profit. But hold on. Withdrawal and deposit times matter. Each exchange has its own processing times. Some are fast, others slow. Choose exchanges known for speed. Be prepared for the unexpected. Choose the right arbitrage approach. You have two main approaches, manual and automated. Manual arbitrage is hands-on. Automated arbitrage uses bots and software. So which approach is right for you? If you love control, go manual. Prefer hands-off, go automated. This is why you need fast execution in crypto arbitrage. In the world of crypto arbitrage, speed is king. Every millisecond counts. Optimize your trading setup. Everybody is looking for the next big thing in crypto. All right, hustlers eager to dive into crypto arbitrage? But first, let's talk risk management. Start small. This market is wild. Gradually increase as you gain experience. Struggling with different arbitrage types? Watch this. Let's dive into the flavors of crypto arbitrage. Spatial arbitrage exploits price differences on different exchanges. Triangular arbitrage takes advantage of price discrepancies between three assets. Statistical arbitrage uses models to find pricing inefficiencies. Each type has its own risks and rewards. Choose wisely. Let's talk about where the magic happens, cryptocurrency exchanges. Centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and decentralized ones like Uniswap and SushiSwap. CEXs are centralized platforms acting as intermediaries. DEXs are peer-to-peer marketplaces without a central authority. Which type of exchange suits your needs? CEX are beginner-friendly with high liquidity. DEX offer enhanced privacy and security for experienced users. Are you worried about losing your hard-earned money to scams and hacks in the crypto world? The crypto world can be dangerous, especially for newcomers. Protect yourself from scams and hacks. Enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts. Be wary of phishing scams. Never share your private keys or seed phrases. Stay vigilant and stay safe. I bet you didn't know that even your crypto profits are taxable. Yes, even crypto profits are taxable. The taxman always wants his cut, and ignoring him is not a good look. Let's talk about how to keep your crypto profits legal and avoid any unwanted surprises come tax time. Understand how crypto is taxed in your jurisdiction. Tax laws vary widely, so do your research or consult with a qualified tax professional. In the US, the IRS considers cryptocurrency to be property, so capital gains taxes apply. Keep accurate records of all your crypto transactions. This information is crucial when filing your taxes. Use a spreadsheet, crypto tax software, or a dedicated crypto accountant to stay organized. Remember, ignorance is not an excuse. Stay informed and keep your crypto profits clean. You need to hear this if you're a crypto trader. Crypto arbitrage is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to put in the work, even when the profits aren't rolling in as fast as you'd like. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Crypto markets are volatile, and arbitrage opportunities can be fleeting. There will be days when you make a killing, and days when you barely break even or lose a small amount. Stay consistent, stick to your strategy, and don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Every trade is a learning opportunity. Analyze your mistakes, adjust your strategy, and come back stronger. The more you trade, the more experience you gain, and the better you'll become at identifying profitable opportunities. Finally, don't forget to take breaks. Crypto markets operate 24/7, and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement. Burnout is real. Set realistic goals. Take time for yourself, and remember that slow and steady wins the race. Good things come to those who wait, and in the world of crypto arbitrage, patience is truly a virtue. Crypto arbitrage can be incredibly profitable, but it's not without its risks. Let's be real, it ain't all sunshine and rainbows. This game comes with risks. First up, volatility. Crypto prices can swing like a pendulum on steroids, and even a small dip can wipe out your profits. Arbitrage relies on exploiting price differences, and those differences can disappear in the blink of an eye. Then, there's slippage. You found a killer opportunity, placed your orders, but by the time they got filled, the price had moved against you. Slippage is like a hidden fee eating into your profits. And let's not forget about exchange risks. Hacks, downtime, withdrawal freezes, the works. It's like playing poker in a shady back room. The name of the game is awareness. We're going to break down these risks and make sure you're playing smart in this crypto casino. Are you afraid to lose your hard-earned money in crypto trading? Don't get wrecked managing risk like a crypto pro. Knowledge is power, and risk management is your secret weapon. Diversification is your best friend. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Use stop-loss orders like a safety net. They limit your potential losses. Set realistic profit targets and stick to them. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Treat your investments like poker chips. Risk management is like brushing your teeth. Do it regularly. Stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of crypto arbitrage. Crypto arbitrage isn't set it and forget it. The landscape is constantly changing. Be adaptable, be a learner, be a hustler. Spatial arbitrage 1 minute, defy the next. Stay informed, follow influencers, join communities. Keep an eye out for new tools. Bots are getting smarter and faster. Experiment with new software. Crypto arbitrage is skill, not luck. Keep learning, keep adapting. The crypto space is full of opportunities. Stay informed, manage risk, hustle, start stacking those satoshis. Your $10,000 crypto arbitrage adventure starts now. We've covered a ton of ground, from the ABCs of arbitrage to navigating exchanges and dodging scams. You've got the knowledge and tools. Now turn that into action and make that $10,000 dream a reality. Think of crypto arbitrage as your chance to flip digital assets for a profit. Spot opportunities and make smart moves in a fast-paced market. Start small, experiment, learn from mistakes, and ask questions. Take control of your financial future and become your own boss. This is going to blow your mind. Level up, stay hungry, dominate the crypto game. Stay ahead in the crypto game. It's about learning and adapting to the ever-changing landscape. Knowledge is power. The more you know, the more you earn. Follow industry news, listen to podcasts, join online communities, and learn from experienced traders. Immerse yourself to spot opportunities and make informed decisions. Experiment with different strategies, exchanges, and tools. Find your own rhythm, develop your own style. and never stop refining your approach. Stay hungry, stay foolish, and watch those profits soar. The crypto revolution is here to stay, and crypto arbitrage is your ticket to ride the wave. Subscribe for more insights and strategies. Let's dominate the crypto game together.